I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, but 2018 has been such a beautiful year. I'm sure most of you know that I've been blessed with another bundle of joy, which is exciting, and I feel so blessed to be a mom of two. Today I have come back with some more hair review, first impressions you would call it. So I am wearing Kinky straight hair. It's a lace frontal and it is 20 inches of hair. As you can see, it's pretty long and full. So this hair was sent to me by a company called SoGood Hair and I absolutely love it. I mean, I've barely done anything to it. It came pre-placked and also the knots were bleached, just slightly bleached. Which is fine with me because I'm not really fussy, you know, with really bleached nodes or whatever. So this is perfectly fine with me as a mom of two. I keep saying that because it's still fresh, but you know, you just want something quick to throw on that looks a little bit natural. Obviously it's a wig. We're not gonna hide the fact that it's a wig, but it looks natural. It is easy to easy to maintain. Like at the moment I really haven't done much to it. I've just kind of laid baby hairs which is really new to me as well. So I just put a bit of baby hairs in there. I just used a blow dryer just to put it into place. However, I haven't really done much. I'm going to probably try and straighten it in maybe my next video, or just to try the style out and see how that goes. But yeah, I mean, so far I'm really liking this hair. It's brilliant, it's big. I mean, I like big hair. If you don't go big, you better go home. But yeah, it is really nice hair. I absolutely love it. And so yes, this hair is beautiful. It is really full. I'll probably try different styles with it. I'm going to try and straighten it, see how straight it goes, and I'm probably going to put in some curls at some point. But I really like it just the way it is. I can do the half up, half down. I've been wanting to do that for a very long time, and now I get to do that, which is fun. I can braid it, so the possibilities are endless. I mean, so I'm going to just play with it, see what styles I come up with as the days go by. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, please keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends and family, and let's start 2019 with a bang. Yeah, God bless you guys, and thanks again for your support. Hi guys, so I'm just showing you what the wig looked like once I opened the box. So that's the lace and how it looked pre-placked. It had a lace in the back as well, and I just added some elastic band just to give me that extra security, and also had 2 combs in the sides and 1 at the back. This is what it looked like when I cut the lace off, and I kind of put some powder on it, but I used like my contour powder. A bit weird, but never mind. And then I'm just showing you what it looked like when I'm trying to secure it with the Got To Be Free spray. And that's it. I did everything off camera because my baby had woken up, so yeah. And then here I'm just showing you what how I achieved my makeup look, so enjoy.
I'm feeling high.
So So just in case you're wondering, I was using the OPV palette in I think it's called the Gorgeous palette. I absolutely love it. The pigment is unreal, and yeah, I love it.
I'm feeling high.
And so that is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this quick video, guys, and yeah, just let me know what you want to see in the future, and I'll try to be as consistent and bring to you the looks, the videos, and the vibe that you want to see. Thanks again for watching. Bye.
I'm feeling high.
Yeah, so I attempted the half up, half down look, but yeah, it wasn't perfect, but I'm definitely excited to try it again. Hopefully it will turn out right next time.